Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today it's about Land Rover again, so we got another Tech Tuesday coming up. Actually this time we are changing something in the coolant system, which is actually this little plastic nozzle that's sitting right here. Goes straight into the expansion chamber over here, and as you can see it's got some red residue up here. You might have blue in yours because that's basically the colors I'm normally. However, it's the glycol water, the antifreeze that comes out, and it's sweating a little bit. And I am thinking about changing the hoses, but initially I'm going to take this away first because where it's put on here it's actually not that good. So I'm going to go ahead and restructure and get this thing all set up. I would like to get rid of this part, reason being it is plastic, and the plastic, as you know already, and I've been actually having a little bit of fun with that, it's getting a little bit more deteriorated over the years because it doesn't tolerate the heating up and cooling down for all these years. And now this part is probably about 18 years old, so it needs to be changed. So what I've done, I've got an exchange, just a simple one. It's the same Y piece that will come in, but it will be in aluminum instead, or aluminium, depending on where you are in the world. So stay tuned, and we'll get this changed within so long. I hope you enjoy it, and if you don't mind, then please like and subscribe to the video, and then you'll get another notification whenever we make another one. So welcome back, and let's get started. The piece I'm going to put in is this basic, very standard. It is aluminum here. You can get it in plastic too, but I don't believe in the plastic. It doesn't last that long, so I'm going to put that in. It comes with a little bit of reinforcement rubber hose here as well, and we also got some tweezers to put on here as well, so we can get everything sorted out. But basically this is what goes in and this is what comes out. First we'll take a pair of pliers. Make sure you get a good one that can actually pull all the way back, and it should be able to get you, there you go, the cooling hose bands off, and now it should be almost ready to go. We'll take this one here too. This is not so long since I put that in because I changed recently the container up here. Let's see if we can get this thing rolling. There will be a little bit of spillage here, but that's okay. So this is basically what it is, as you can see, and there are more traces of places where it's been actually leaking slightly, so it probably needs to get adjusted and get reinforced. So let's go ahead and do that. So yeah, I'm getting almost a little bit more than halfway. I might have to shorten it up slightly, but we'll see. Hopefully we'll be done with leaks. So here's the new one installed. However, I'm still missing some of the parts that we need to put on, so I'm going to put this back on the clamps, and I might take these off as well, but we'll see how it goes. Otherwise I'm going to put that up here to reinforce that area right here, because I can see there's always somebody making noise when you got to tell something. You can see right here it has a weak point within that area too, so that might be a place to put it actually, right in here. So that's the installation of that little tube, or change this tube, which is plastic, and it does dry rot, and that's actually happened in my case here as well. This is what I put on, and this is the installation. I might have to change them within so long, but at least this is now, even though it's probably also made in China as it says here, but it's actually aluminum, so I think it's going to last a lot longer, and now it's actually installed. So that's the end of the video for this time, and it should be ready for our next maybe another 200,000 miles before this goes out and gets bad, but at least it should be holding up now. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, and that will help a lot of people out, including myself, and then you also get a notification whenever I make another video. So once again, thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye.